good, guys? Today we are at the source. This is the world's only industrial lion farm. We're gonna see how we raise them. These guys are on a strict high-protein diet to make sure their skin is absolutely flawless. No scratches allowed.
They know the drill. Straight from the farm, up the ramp and into the back. They just head inside and take a seat, ready for transport.
Time to move out. We load them up, lock the cages, and keep everything chill while we roll.
Weight is holding steady, 215 kilograms.
Okay, I've locked that. The coat looks healthy, no signs of parasites.
The weight is stable at 420 kilograms.
Noted. Heart rate is strong and steady.
Next pallet, Bay 3. Keep the line moving.
I've heard great things about your lion meat. Is this cut suitable for grilling?
Absolutely. This is our premium filet, very tender and perfect on the grill.
This premium lion meat arrived fresh this morning. It's an exceptional cut, very tender.
I'll take this piece right here, thank you.
Introducing a new era of luxury, the Lion Leather Collection. Bold, sophisticated, and distinctly yours.